Hey, I'm so excited. Something I didn't even expect just arrived in the mail today. It's it's my XPS laptop, Dell's 17-inch laptop in a long while that was specifically made for creators just like me. So if you're excited just as I am, just join me as I unbox this beauty. So we have it here. It's the Dell XPS 179700 laptop, and we're gonna unbox it and see what's in the box. So opening it, you have the XPS logo. Okay, that doesn't really look 17-inch. So let's see. So we'll just put this aside and see what else is in the box. So in the box we have the warranty papers and everything. The charging brick. It's a 130 watts charging brick, USB-C. And that was really nice to add this other adapter. It's a HDMI USB-A adapter. Pretty box. So this is it. It has two Thunderbolt 3 ports. Headphone jack port. Also, just like the Microsoft Surface Book 3, this also has the SD card slot and another two Thunderbolt 3 charging ports.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So I'm sure you're going to be wondering, why do I have the Dell XPS 17 with me? The last time you saw me, I had the Microsoft Surface Book 3. Well, to just summarize everything for you, the Dell has more power, both in graphic card and in CPU. And also the Intel chip is 4 cores more than the Surface Book 3. The Surface Book 3 had a 4 core, yeah, and the Dell XPS 17, the one I have here with me, is 8 core, and the graphic card is way more powerful. The Microsoft Surface Book 3 had the NVIDIA 1660 Max Max Q. The XPS 17 has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6 gig Max Q. So this is way more powerful in terms of graphic performance than the Microsoft Surface Book 3 that I had. So that's the reason why I upgraded. And also this was about $300, this was about $300 cheaper for me because I got some discounts from Dell. The XPS 17 I have here with me is the 10th generation Intel Core i7. It's as I said earlier, is the 8th core Intel chip, and also it's a 1 terabyte solid state drive, and also has a 32 gig RAM, and it's Windows 10 home, and it comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max Q. If there's something else also that I like about the Dell XPS 17, it's the beautiful edge to edge of the screen down to the end here. It's a 4K screen and edge to edge. So this is how the Dell XPS 17 webcam camera looks. The camera is up there. It's a 720p camera, and also it has two mics, studio quality mics embedded there. So how does this sound and how does this look? This is the webcam quality from the Dell XPS 17. If there's something else I love about the XPS 17 is how clicky and nice the keyboard is. It's really smooth. It's really clicky. And also, I've heard a lot of people have been having issues with their trackpad. So far, mine has been responsive. Not really had any much issues with my trackpad. If there's one thing you have to do whenever you get a new laptop, is always check for updates. Always make sure you update your drivers to give your laptop the best optimized performance. So for those of you who are asking, can you open it with one finger? Yes, you can. So now we're gonna do some speaker test, and let's see how good the Dell speakers are.
I just want it all. I will never fall. Am how you lie. Can't feel the floor. I'm how you lie. Is magical. Yeah, how you lie. So how you lie is beautiful. Well, try and keep up.
Your duty transcends national interest.
So there you have it. The Dell XPS 17 has a 6-cell battery with which translates to about 97 watt battery, and it's, give or take, it should last you for close to 20 hours. The spec I have here is the 4K screen, and so far so good. The battery has stayed up to 17 hours for me. So I don't know, usage is dependent on what you're doing and how you use it, and also how the brightness and every other settings is set on the laptop. But for me, give or take, it has varied between 12 to 17 hours for me. The Microsoft Surface, which I got for about, the spec I got about, cost about $799. This was about $299. If you go to the spec I have, is about $2,999, which is $3,000. but I got a $300 discount from Dell, which brought down the price for me to about 2,700. So technically I was able to save quite a bit getting the Dell XPS 17. So it all depends on what region and country you're in. Your prices would vary, but for me it cost me about 2,700 to get the Dell XPS 17. Is the Dell XPS 17 the device for you? Well, only you would have to decide that for yourself. But for me, the Dell XPS 17 is the device for me. It is built and spec'd out with all the things I need. I'm the type of person that whenever I am browsing or doing anything, I want all my tabs to be open, whether it's on my Microsoft Edge or on my Chrome. I want everything accessible how I want it and when I want it. I'm someone who also does photography and also videography, and I also edit photos and edit videos. So I want everything to be at a click of a button, and everything should open as I click them and as I open them. So I'm always doing something, and this machine is maxed out and spec'd out to the way I want it, and it's future proof, meaning it's most likely going to run me for the next 3 to 4 years without worrying about upgrading it. And also something I just found out with Dell XPS 17 is that the RAM and the memory are upgradable, meaning you could open it and go on Amazon or wherever you buy your tech stuff and upgrade the RAM and also the inbuilt memory. So that's another reason why I decided to get the Dell XPS 17, because the Microsoft Surface Book 3, even though it's a fantastic device, is not upgradable, but the Dell is upgradable. You could upgrade the RAM and the memory. So is the Dell XPS 17 the device for you? Well, I leave that thought for you to worry about. So thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, a like, share, and also subscribe with your friends and loved ones, and it would be appreciated if you do so. So till next time, stay safe and peace.